Customer.
What's your beer? I'm on this one now. And sauce. Okay. And Italy sauce.
Yes. How much is that one?
Hey, I'm not going to selling is free, okay? Ew! Yeah! I just
You joked, you joke.
only card.
Card.
And I'll give money.
Money.
That looks like a card. It's done cooking? No, it's not done.
It's not done yet.
Daddy, I forgot not to lagyan this band-aid.
I will put that band-aid later.
But $1.
How much is that?
$1.
$1?
I mean, this is $3. That's $3.
That's $3 daw.
Because this is my own shop. I'm just pretending this is she's own shop. I'm sorry.
Tinkerbell daw. Ikaw yung boss pala dyan, Tinkerbell?
Huh?
Ikaw yung boss dyan?
Hindi.
Ikaw yung owner?
Yes.
Owner of the store?
Yes. And Wendy's I'm gonna teach Wendy how to cook and how to make some money. Want some? Or I want to, no, I want the red one. It's done cooking now.
Not yet done?
Not yet. No, it's not done.
Bigyan mo na sa plastic.
Like that.
Pwede niya.
Ito yung pala yung plus. Dito pinalagay yung candy. What's your color?